What's up, guys? It's Jermaine. We're back. Today, we're starting a new thing. I said I'm gonna try to upload at least twice a week. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna accomplish that because I don't do a whole lot to where I can be able to do that. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best. I need more content out there. I need to just put something out. So, we're gonna try to upload at least twice a week. And today we're not doing an install, but I did get a spoiler in today for the Focus, so I'll show it to y'all. It's not painted, so we're not gonna put it on, but next week, because today's Friday, on Monday I'm gonna send it to get painted. I'm sending it off to get painted Monday, yeah, and then hopefully we'll get it back within like another day or two from that, because the whole spoiler doesn't really need painted. It's just like two little fins and the part that goes across. You'll see. I'll show you. But really, we should have it next week to be able to put onto the car. So next week's vlogs will be putting the spoiler on. After we do the spoiler, next is our exhaust, which I have a plan for the exhaust. I'm not gonna just get a regular just exhaust. I'm getting something a little bit different. So you guys will see what I'm gonna do with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the spoiler now because there's really not much else. Today we're gonna kind of just be washing the car, doing a little care for it. We might go to a meet later. I think there's one later on today. I'm gonna see if some of the guys are gonna try to go. If so, we'll get a little bit of footage of that, add a little something to the vlog. So let me go ahead and show y'all the spoiler. We've got our trusty box cutter. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get this off. This is hard to do with one hand. Alright. Remember, kids, always cut away from yourself. Don't be a me. Cut away from yourself. Be careful. Alright. That was the most disgusting cut. Oh my god. I didn't even cut. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Let's see if it'll open like this. Is this enough? Of course it's not. Oh my gosh. Bro, they tape this so much. Later. Alright. Let's go ahead. We got it open. Finally. Alright. So this is one of the fins. This might be the... Oh, I know what this is actually. Okay. This is light. Oh my goodness. That is so light. These are the little stands. It's the other thing. As you guys see right there, we have some RS parts. And I believe this is just the, okay. Oh, there's some hardware in here too. We gotta make sure we don't lose that. Alright. Alright. Look at the first part. So as y'all see, it's unpainted. This is why we're not putting it on yet, because it's not painted yet. But this right here is, I'm going to show you guys what's happening here. So as you see, oh, this thing is so light. What the heck? But as you see, this is going to replace this here. It's going to, this is going to be the new one. There's stands here and mounting points here for the fins, because if y'all couldn't have told from when I showed the little fin, we have an RS style spoiler now, and I decided that we kind of needed something a little more aggressive on the car, because I mean, honestly, the way it's going, the car is kind of, you're gonna need a little bit of something extra, because the wheels really make a huge statement, and I needed the rest of the car to match. So go ahead. So like I say, we're gonna go ahead and get all this painted, and also we're gonna kind of get it cleaned up a bit, because you see there's a bunch of little like scratches and stuff kind of everywhere on it. It's not that bad, it's nothing like crazy, but you know, we're gonna get it looking all right. And maybe I can get this to kind of sit how it's gonna be. Maybe I can get it to kind of like sit up how it'll sort of stay on the car, and maybe it'll like, maybe I can show y'all what it'll look like. Hang on. As y'all see, we have some carbon. The wing part that'll be like up here, it's going to be carbon. I was gonna just get the regular just black finish, but I thought that some carbon would do the car a little bit justice, just because, I mean, what doesn't carbon look good on, you know? And this is so nice, and this thing is so light. Like, I've never had anything like carbon fiber before, but this thing is like so light. Like, I feel like I could just toss this down my street. This is crazy. Okay, I tried to get it mounted, and it wasn't going. It didn't work. All I did was just like end up like scratching that, so you know, I just gave up. But we did actually find a paint shop. I found somewhere I can go, take it, get it painted. It's all in there that needs to be painted, because obviously the carbon fiber doesn't need to be painted. So we got that. We're gonna probably, I'm gonna wash the car, and we're probably gonna go to take that up there here in a little bit. And they said they can do it for real cheap too, so we'll see how that goes. Go ahead and close that. Yeah, so hopefully I can get this painted, and I can at least show you guys, you know, at least you guys can kind of get the idea. You can look up a RS and like see what the spoiler is gonna look like. But you know, there's that. So we're gonna take that, get it painted. I'm gonna wash the car real quick, and then they said that it actually wouldn't take that long to paint. They said I'll probably be able to pick it up tomorrow if I dropped it off today. So we might be able to put it on tomorrow, actually. Whenever if not, well, maybe not tomorrow. We may put it on Sunday. If we're able to get it back tomorrow, we may put it on Sunday. And then that'll be another video for next week. And then that'll be good. So let's go ahead and get started cleaning the car up, and then we're going to head up to the shop. Alright. I lied about the process a little bit. We're actually going to take it to the shop first, let them get started on it, and then we're going to come back and wash the car. So yeah. so much traffic. They're making a 10-minute drive a like 20-minute drive. This is so terrible. Alright, we got it dropped off. They said it'll be ready for us on Tuesday. So Tuesday after I get off work, I'll probably be able to come up here, come pick it up, and then we're gonna get it put on the car. I also found out that the name of my paint code is Shadow Black Mica. It's interesting. I thought it was just, I didn't know that it was just some special kind of black. I thought it was just black, but the more you know. Alright, we're back home. So let's go ahead and get this car washed, and I gotta put some air in my tires too, so let's go ahead and do that, and then that'll be it. We got her all nice and rinsed. Now it's time for my favorite part. Yes, sir. Alright, so we actually found a meet to go to. So we're about to meet. I know we're meeting at least one other person. I don't know if everybody else gonna be coming, but we at least meet one more person, and we're gonna head out to a meet. So we're gonna go there. Hopefully it's a pretty alright meet, you know. Hopefully it's a good amount of people, not too many, but you know, hopefully it's a few. So that way it's at least like worth the drive out there. So I'll see y'all when we get there. We here. I'm gonna show you guys. This man here, this man right here, he likes to flex on people. He has works. He has works. He likes to flex on everybody.
What's up with that back? Man,
he likes to.
This ain't his first rodeo swinging, bro.
We're at a little garage meet. It ain't nothing too serious, but you know, some people here gonna get around. This meet, I think we going home. I don't know. I think this meet kind of like was a little, kind of, but I don't think we're going nowhere. We may see if there's another one, but I don't think there's anything. Let's see though. So we found the right meet. There's hella cars here now, so we're good. An R32? Yeah. I'll see if we can find it. We're at the right meet now. There's plenty of cars here now, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try and get a walk around. All that. It's everything here, man. There's a bunch of stuff here. We finna walk around, see what's popping, because it's a lot of stuff here. I'm finna walk around and see what's going on. It's a clean other though. What color are you getting?
Like those, like different
all that
colors.
That's what's up. That's gonna be clean with your all black too.
Yeah.
It's a rocket bunny. Got the Civics. It's a little S2K right here. I want an S2K so bad, bro. We got Evo boys and the R32 here. We got. I want to see the back. What's it on? Okay. Yes, sir, ski. Alright, we're back from the meet. It turned out being kind of meh. I mean, there was some nice stuff there. I got a few little shots, but it wasn't nothing too crazy. That's the end of the vlog today. Gonna go ahead and end it here. I'll see you guys next time when I'm putting the spoiler on, more than likely. So, peace out.